Hello, today I will explain you how to make a Greek moussaka. Therefore you need 500 gram of minced lamb meat, 500 gram of potato, 2 eggplants, half a liter of milk, a small brick of tomato concentrate, 1 small glass of white wine, olive oil, 1 shallots, a little bit cinnamon, salt, pepper. We will begin with cutting the 2 eggplants in pieces. I make first slices and I cut them in small pieces. If you prefer slices, you can leave them in slices, but it's easier to do in small pieces. So you fry them in a pan with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper. If you have, you can put some oregano inside, a teaspoon, and you let them fry. During that time, I will peel and chop my shallots. I will peel my potatoes and wash them. Okay, I put my shallots in a second pan with a little bit of olive oil and make them fry. I put the tomato concentrate in my eggplant and I cover it, let it cook 10 minutes. Then I put the minced meat with the shallots and I fry. I chop my potato in slices. I put them in a grating dish for 4 people. I put my meat on it and I spread it out nicely. I do the same with the eggplant. I put on this the white wine and I close the dish with the aluminum paper. I put it in the oven for 1 hour, and a little bit before I put the milk in a pan with the cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, pepper. I make it boil and I blend it with the roux. 1 tablespoon roux is, I think, enough. You don't have to put too much, because if it's too hard, it's not really good. So I put it in the oven half an hour again. And it's ready. Thank you, enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking at the link on the screen.